What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be preparing some corned beef and white rice with some mixed vegetable. So let's get right into it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. So right now we have our station already prepped, hand washed, and we're ready to start the cooking. So now here we have some green onion, otherwise known as scallion, 2 cubes of garlic chopped, half of tomato, half of onion, some Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some yellow bell pepper. Right now we have our stove on medium. Now we're going to be adding some olive oil to our pot. So now this is all ready. We're going to be adding all vegetables to saute and ready to add our corned beef. Now we're going to make sure we stir everything together so we get that delicious and rich flavor. So now this is all ready. We're going to be adding our corned beef. So now we're adding the corned beef to the sauteed veg. You can have this corned beef with, you can mix it with some cabbage. We will be doing that in our next video coming up. So make sure you stir everything together so you get all that delicious flavor, all that spice, the hot pepper, thyme, scallion, bell pepper, everything combined together. Oh my, this is delicious. This is a quick cook. You know, you come in on a Friday evening, you don't want to do anything too big. So you just grab a can of corned beef and just get some vegetable, saute, and you're good to go in like 10 minutes. Now we're going to be adding some black pepper to our our corned beef. In Jamaica they call it bully beef, excuse me. Now we're going to go ahead and add our mixed vegetables. So we have some sweet corn, some beans, and some carrot. You don't have to add it, it's optional, but I like it this way because I'm preparing this also for my kids, and you have to make sure it's very colorful and nice so the kids will enjoy. So now this is simmering down. This is so delicious. The aroma in this kitchen is amazing. So now we're gonna be serving this dish with some white rice with some sorrel juice on the side and diced tomato. So remember to live good, love God, and be safe. And we'll see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen. Have yourself a wonderful and blessed day.